Continuing our journey, we move into the heart of the Loire Valley, the Valley of the Kings, where France's royal history is etched into the stone of its grand palaces. We start at Chambord, the largest of them all. Its intricate roofline looks like a small city in itself, a masterpiece of Renaissance ambition. Inside, the famous double helix staircase, possibly designed by Leonardo da Vinci, allows two paths to never cross. Next, we walk towards Chenonceau, the ladies' château, uniquely elegant as it stretches gracefully across the water. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Stepping into its grand gallery, you can almost hear the music from the royal balls that once filled this hall. At Villandry, the gardens are the star. These terraces of vegetables and flowers are arranged in perfect living geometry. Overlooking the river, the Château d'Amboise reminds us of the power once held in this valley and the genius who rested here. In a quiet chapel nearby, we pay our respects at the final resting place of Leonardo da Vinci. Leaving the valley behind, we head north towards the rugged beauty and dramatic history of Normandy. And then it appears Mont-Saint-Michel, a gravity-defying island that seems to rise directly from the sea and the sand. Entering its gates is like stepping back into the Middle Ages, with winding paths leading us higher towards the sky. The village clings to the rock, a maze of stone and history that has drawn pilgrims for over 1,000 years. At the summit, the abbey cloisters offer a moment of profound silence, high above the rushing tides of the bay. We travel along the coast to Honfleur, a harbor town so beautiful it has inspired countless artists with its light and color. The town's wooden church, built by shipwrights, reminds us of Normandy's deep connection to the sea. Further north, the Alabaster Coast reveals its power. The towering cliffs of Etretat are one of nature's greatest sculptures. Walking these cliff paths, you feel the raw energy of the Atlantic and the timeless beauty of this coastline. We stop to reflect at the American Cemetery, where rows of white stones stand in silent tribute above the beaches of history. Below us lies Omaha Beach, now a place of peace, but forever a site of immense bravery and sacrifice. At Pointe du Hoc, the landscape itself bears the scars of battle, a visceral reminder of the events that changed the world. From the royal halls of the Loire to the historic shores of Normandy, our tour continues to reveal the soul of France. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Join us in part 3 as we head south. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.